So it is shitting snow.
Oh my gosh. It's hard to see
So hard to see.
with the camera. Why?
Because the glass kind of like
Yeah.
takes out the snow.
But it's crazy.
Yeah, you can see movement. Like it's just changing. It just looks like the light is on the bricks are changing.
Maybe just wait for it to get darker. That way the light will contrast more.
Perhaps. I'm gonna take this outside. Come.
No, why would you go out?
Because I'm going to show the world how like messed up this school is. No, the school has a weather machine, okay, and it hates us.
It's true. The school controls the weather.
Okay, so the theory on the weather machine is that I believe that the school has a weather machine, and they like to change what the weather is like to make us very, very sad.
Wait, come out here. In the courtyard.
No, I'm going over there to the street. There's more crap over there. There's a courtyard. So anyway, as I was explaining the weather machine, they make it horrible during the basically every time, and then when the parents like magically appear, then it's like super nice and there's flowers and there's birds chirping, like balloons everywhere, and it's like, oh my god. But then when they go away, all the birds go away too, and everyone dies. The birds die, actually. There's dead birds everywhere. Alright, so there's water and shit all over the fucking place. Alright, hold on, let me take my socks off.
Are you kidding me? You're not wearing shoes. What's wrong with you?
I'm dumb. I
Want me
didn't
to take the phone out for you?
take the phone out.
Oh my god. Hold on. Hold on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Right. You can see that crap paint out of there.
Oh my gosh.
You cannot see the light. Oh my god. Look how cold they are. Look at my feet.
No, no, no.
Oh, oh, my feet, they're cold.
Y'all must got good eye footage too. Right, I got footage there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Because you sure gonna be in there.